All right, this is how you're going to make your three-dimensional Rama for the how to catch a snowman project. So you're going to take your piece of construction paper.
You can use whatever color you want.
Or whichever one you got.
Yeah, whichever one you got.
And you're going to take this corner.
So we are going to make this exact same thing.
A little further back. Further back. Perfect. This is what you're going to make when we're done. But we're going to make it so we have a back so that you can glue things on there. All right. So we're going to start with our piece of construction paper.
We have to...
And what you're going to do is you're going to take this corner and fold it over to this side until the side lines up exactly, but it can't be crooked at all. So we're going to fold it carefully so that comes right to the side. Now just hold it. All right, do you see how it makes a nice corner? That's perfect. And you're going to fold it. Now you're going to unfold it. And you're going to go the other direction. We're going to fold this corner. Actually, we can do it like this. Fold it. And then you're going to fold this until it touches this corner. So you're going to fold that until it makes so it'll be shaped kind of like a house. Get it right to the corner. Hold it down. Let's get it as close to that corner as you can. And then fold it nice and smooth. Yep.
Like a house.
Yep. Now. Okay. Now that when you open it up for me. Move your head. Hold it out open so I can. So do you see that giant X? Lay it down flat. Nope. Other way. Other way. There. Can you show them a giant X? Just show them with your
more X.
Here and here. Very nice. Our
And then
next
there's like
step.
a little line like this, and we are going to cut that to the middle right here, where that little X in the middle ends.
From either corner, doesn't matter, and right into the middle.
Try to get it as straight as you can. Make sure you're following that little line you can barely see. I almost got your carpet.
Okay, perfect. Now we're going to fold it to turn it into a three-dimensional shape. So you're going to bring the short flap up to where it stands straight up and bring this one up.
And now we need to glue it.
And then you're going to glue those two flaps together.
You need to use maybe like a glue stick or ask your parent to buy you one.
Okay, so I'm going to lay it down and we're going to cover all of this. This is the short flap. Cover all of this with glue.
Okay.
I'm going to hit pause. So now what we've done is we've covered all of this little triangle with glue. And now we're going to, go ahead, Addie. I'll hold it.
Okay. Here's the cap. So we are going to put this, lift this up as tall as you can, get it like just touching, barely, get it super nice and flat.
And hold it.
Here, I'll do it. Squish.
Whoops, squish, squish, squish. And hold it and count to 1,000,000.
No.
Okay, maybe 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, now let go and see if it...
It stayed.
Okay.
So now what we're going to do... Now what we're going to do is grab all kinds of cutouts.
All right, our next step of our STEM project is to think about how do we make papers stand up and make them stronger. And we make papers stronger by folding them. And so what we're going to do is we're actually you have all of these pieces that you've cut out. And the goal is to make them sturdy by making them stand up.
With glue?
So, and then we're going to glue them on. So what I'm going to do with this snowman is I'm actually going to fold the bottom. Because if I just put it up like this, stand it up, it won't stand.
Unless we put a glue right there.
Yeah, and that'd be awfully small. So instead, as engineers, we think about how can we give things a strong, sturdy base. So we're going to put some glue right on the bottom. Notice how I folded it over. And then I can glue it and it will stand up.
But actually, I'm gluing it.
I know. So we have all of the different traps that they used in the story. And you can pick and choose. You can put all of them in or some of them in. If you want to make them stand up, fold the bottoms over.
Yeah, if you don't want to use any, like, some of this stuff, you don't have to. If you need, like, something that is in this stuff, you can use it for, like, something else if you need it really badly.
You can even bend this cage in the middle if you want to cut a little. Hold on. Just a minute. Wherever you want.
I want to put it right there.
Another strategy for making things stand up would be to fold it. So I cut a little piece out of I just cut a little slit in that. And then when I turn it, it'll actually have that three-dimensional look when I glue it down. So it'll be like a cage that is actually standing up.
Yeah, you might have to leave it back because then it just goes whoop, back and front. So you might have to make it go down for a few minutes and then put it back up.
Yeah, and we can make our whole snowman scene.
Like village.
Yep. Have fun and retell the story How to Catch a Snowman.
Okay, you might have